Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So to use a proxy with Janitor AI in 2025, follow these steps to set up a reverse proxy, enhancing your experience with features like larger content windows and reduced content restrictions. Firstly, my friends, you need to go to Janitor AI, which is of course the official website, and sign up with your Google, Twitter, or Discord. Complete your profile by adding a username, profile picture, and other preferences. After that, access the Janitor AI Discord server. After joining, wait for any required verification period before interacting. In the server, navigate to the appropriate channel and type and /key to obtain your unique API key. Locate the reverse proxy link provided in the server's designated location. After that, configuration. On the Janitor AI website, select a character and click on the three-line menu to access API settings. Choose OpenAI as the provider and select reverse proxy as the access method. Paste the reverse proxy URL and proxy API key into the respective fields and click Save. After that, return to the main page, select your desired character and begin the conversation. And that's pretty much how it's done, guys. If you need any assistance with specific devices, or have any questions, drop them down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you soon.